Hello friends. Well, today I forgot what day it is, maybe Tuesday 15, but I'm not too sure. Year 2022 anyway. And now I'm fixing the centerboard trunk. Well, here it is. So first I fill it in with Divinycell, and then I'm going to grind it a bit, and I put laminate on it from the inside. And then I make it nice and smooth from the outside, and laminate there, so it's like strong. And in this way, it's going to be even more strong than before. And also, I've been doing a little bit on these things. This is the lids for the hatches in the dining room. Now I've put some rings on here, that I can put my finger in. I did them on the lathe. Here. So that's how we did it. And another thing has arrived today is more things from the Divinycell company. It's like little small squares, and with the help of them I can take off the shape of the boat, and it's just 1 centimeter thick, and that's for the flange, for the pattern, for the molds, for the bronze keels. So this is a little what I've been up to today, and there were many comments on how yes or no the centerboard, yes or no the bilge keel, and I thank everyone for doing these comments, because it helps me to think too. And even if it's bad, I have to think of it why it's bad, and when it's good, I have to think why it's good, and that helps me in my work. So thank you everyone for making these little comments. Goodbye.